Got a call for a leaking pipe. This pipe is galvanized pipe. This pipe can corrode over time, causing rust and sediment to build up. This corrosion can damage fixtures, reduce water flow, and shorten the life of your water heater. Replacing old galvanized fittings with modern materials prevents leaks, protects your plumbing system, and keeps water clean and efficient. An expansion tank helps protect your plumbing system by absorbing excess pressure when water heats and expands inside your water heater, causing pressure buildup that can damage pipes, fittings, or the water heater itself. Replacing a worn expansion tank ensures proper pressure balance, extends your system's lifespan, and keeps your water heater running safely and efficiently. If you have any of these issues, please call Crossflow Plumbing at 208-559-3321. We'll give you a free water heater flush. Call Crossflow Plumbing at 208-559-3321. Call Crossflow Plumbing at 208-559-3321.